about the shapes that you see in nature and ones that you think are just beautiful. I just love the pear shape. I've been using that form that you see in pears for years and years and years, and I've never tired of it. I'm compressing the base. Nice foundation. Lots of compression on that first pull, bringing that clay up and inward. Little compression at the top. So I'm going to just move all this clay up and out because it's going to have a low center of gravity, but I don't want to have to trim it. So I'm just bringing the clay up. Now I'm going to start coming out a little bit, and with a pear shape somewhere right about there, I'm going to transition and start coming in. I'm going to exaggerate out even more now. You can see I'm hardly using any water. Up and in. There we go. That's thrown pretty finished. 2.5 pounds of clay. I'm going to take a rib now and start cleaning it up. I feel like I have a little thickness up in this top third, so I'm just going to set up a pull right there and make it a little thinner. Did you realize you can set up a pull wherever you want? You don't have to set it up at the bottom of the pot. Okay, get rid of those inside throwing rings. I've got a little bit of an angle here, so I'm going to round this bottom just a little bit to soften this whole form up. You see that? Get rid of all the throwing rings. Now I've got to make a decision about the rim, and I think in this one, I'm just going to have a soft curve because everything about this pot is soft curves. So I'm just going to round it over. And I'm going to come up under here and cut some of that clay away. There we go. Now, for the wonderful swirl. People have been asking me, how do you get it to be so swollen and have such nice edges? Well, actually, I'm pretty intense in my compression inward, and I use the soft side of my pinky. So I've got my wheel slowed way down, and I'm going to move my pinky up pretty quickly, and I'm going to stop somewhere up here. I'm not interested in the swirl going all the way to the top. I like it to kind of fade away. So I'm firm down here and up I go, and I'm really pushing in. I'm softening up, and now I'm done. So what happened is I pushed in so hard that it caused it to have these major swells. I'm going to clean up the top and give you a close-up of this. I'm very pleased with it. And you're like, how did you not throw that off center? Well, somewhere when I decided to stop, somewhere right in here, I eased up my pressure. That's how. Let me go ahead and cut it. I'm really liking it. It's got some nice soft edges, and glaze is going to fill in there so nicely. See those soft edges? Really nice. Yeah. Now you do it.